Here's how to run GEMMA3 on your Android device locally using Termux and Ollama. This way, you don't have to create a Google account or have an internet connection to run your large language model. The first thing you'll do is open Termux and run the command pkg update to update your package repo. From there, you will type the command pkg upgrade to upgrade your packages to the latest versions. This will take a while depending on how many modules need to be upgraded and your internet connection. Next, you'll need to install Git with the command pkg install Git, also cmake and Golang. We're going to need these packages for the next few steps. If it asks for confirmation, just click on yes to install all our required packages. Once our packages are installed, we are going to need to install Ollama. So go into Google and search for Ollama GitHub and enter the first result. In the GitHub page for Ollama, you are going to click on the drop down here and copy this link here. And then go back to Termux, type git clone depth1 and paste the link that you copied and click on enter. This will clone Ollama into a Termux folder here. What we need to do next is cd into Ollama and then type the command go generate to download all the required dependencies into our go folder. Once everything is downloaded, you are going to need to build Ollama with the command go build. Again, this might take a while depending on how powerful your machine is. So please make sure that you are using a decent and recent system. I'll put the specs of the device that I'm using in the screen right now. So once everything is done building, you are going to see this text here. So once Ollama is installed, we are going to need to install our GEMMA3 model. So go to Google and search for Ollama GEMMA3. We are going to enter this first result here and you'll see that you have several models to choose from. I'll be picking the first one here. So just select the first one and copy this text here and go back to Termux and start Ollama with the command Ollama save & and you'll see this text here if Ollama is successfully running. So what I can do now is click on enter and paste the command we copied from Ollama to download Gemini3, and this will start downloading Gemini3 to our Termux. Once it is done downloading, it will launch GEMMA3 here and we can be able to use it from the terminal here. So I'll say, hi, how are you? And as you can see, the response is there. Hi there, I'm Gemma, a large language model created by the Gemma team at Google DeepMind. I'm an open weight model, which means I am publicly available for use. I'm here to help you with a variety of task-based tasks. What's up? Do you have any question for me? To exit the chat, I'll simply type /buy. We can use GEMMA3 on the terminal here, but what I like to do is show you how you can download the Ollama client. That way we can have an interface that resembles something like ChatGPT. So go to Google and search for Ollama client APK GitHub and then open the first result and scroll down to releases, and in releases we are going to download the APK here. Once this is downloaded, we are going to install it. Once it is installed, open it and you'll see that we have no hosts here. So what you need to do is click on the refresh button here, and if you still see nothing here, you are going to open the hamburger menu here, click on settings and click on the save button here if it is written valid hosts here. Once you've clicked on save, just go back to the previous screen and you'll see GEMMA3 at the bottom here. Just select it. Once it's selected, we can be able to start chatting with it. What I like to do is turn off my Wi-Fi here so that you can see that this works offline. So I'll just say hello, hi there, how can I help you today? Smiley face. Do you have any questions or tasks you'd like me to assist you with? So as you can see, GEMMA3 is currently running on my Android device locally without an internet connection. If you follow the steps correctly, then GEMMA3 is also working for you. Please like the video, subscribe, and in the next video, I'll try to find a model that supports images. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.